What if I told you that the date on your birth certificate is lying to you? Your chronological age is just a number, but your biological age, that's your true health status, reflecting how quickly your cells are deteriorating. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to reveal the 3 scientific protocols proven to slow down and even reverse your cellular clock. From activating your longevity genes to mastering autophagy, these aren't just myths. This is the cutting-edge science emerging from Harvard and Stanford labs. Do you want to feel like you're 20 again while being 50? Stay with me, because step 2 will completely change how you think about your morning coffee. Let's dive into the Ageless protocol. Welcome to the Ageless protocol. I'm Dr. Hosam, and here we decode the latest clinical research from world-class institutions to help you master your biological clock. We believe aging is increasingly treatable, and our goal is to help you use evidence-based data to optimize your longevity. So let's explore the step-by-step molecular protocols that are redefining the future of human health. Before we discuss the steps, we must understand the core issue. The primary driver of functional decay is the collapse of cellular energy, fueled by the precipitous decline of a vital coenzyme, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+. NAD+ is the fundamental currency of cell vitality required for energy production and, most crucially, DNA repair. By middle age, systemic NAD+ levels drop by roughly 50%. This loss disables mitochondrial efficiency, leading to a state often described as pseudo-hypoxia, where your cells simply cannot generate the power they need to function. Step 1. Focus on autophagy. Autophagy is your body's essential self-cleaning mechanism, a vital process that recycles damaged and toxic components within your cells. Think of it as a quality control system for your entire organism. We can activate autophagy through a practice widely known as intermittent fasting. When you maintain a fasting window of 16 hours, your cells transition into a metabolic state, where they actively seek out and remove dysfunctional proteins. This cellular deep cleaning is foundational for restoring biological robustness and resetting your cellular age. Step 2. Building mitochondrial resilience through cold exposure. Your mitochondria are the power plants of your cells. Their efficiency determines your metabolic health and vitality. Emerging evidence suggests that brief exposure to cold, such as a 30-second cold shower, can act as a critical software update for your metabolism. This cold shock triggers your brown fat, dramatically increases mitochondrial efficiency, and enhances cellular energy production. It is a potent biohack to strengthen your biological foundation. Step 3. NAD+ optimization. As systemic NAD+ levels drop, it drops DNA repair enzymes, which leads to corrupted gene expression and a loss of cellular identity. To prevent this crisis, we focus on NAD+ precursors like NMN and NR. A 2026 human trial confirmed that both NMN and NR approximately double circulating NAD+ levels after just 14 days of consistent protocol. However, oral precursors are also influenced by gut bacteria, where NR specifically increases beneficial short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, reducing inflammation. Long-term, consistent protocols are necessary to stabilize organ-specific NAD+ and restore biological robustness. Aging is not an inevitable fate. It is a treatable medical condition. By optimizing NAD+ levels, activating autophagy, and enhancing mitochondrial resilience, you can effectively repolish your cellular epigenome. Start your Ageless protocol today. Discover the future of health. Subscribe now to optimize your biology, join our global community, and master your biological clock. Let's unlock the future of your health together.